Installing a system board assembly. Note: this video shows only the physical part replacements. Replacing a system board assembly requires further actions to be taken in the Think System Management Tools. Refer to the System Board Assembly Replacement section in the ThinkEdge SE455 V3 user guide for more information. Place the right end of the system board into the chassis and then lower the left end of the system board into the chassis. Hold the handle and the plunger and then slide the system board slightly forward until it clicks into place. Peel the xClarity Controller Network Access label off the processor sockets cover and attach it to the Network Access tag on the front of the server. Connect all the required cables to the same connectors on the system board and then install the following components in the order they are listed below. Processor and heatsink. If applicable, the micro SD card. Firmware and ROT security module. All the memory modules. If applicable, the airflow sensor board. Fan control board. Fan cage and all the fan modules. Intrusion switch. Processor air baffle. OCP module.